India Security Press, the Mini Ratna Category 1 uh, recruitment notification for this India Security Press placement. So, this is a Mini Ratna is a Security Printing and Printing Corporation of India, SPMCIL. There are different branches all over India, but the notification is regarding the Nasik branch, which comes Mini Ratna Category 1 under Central Enterprise, thus wholly owned by the Government of India. Required vacancies are the supervisor and important dates. Before we get into the notification, we will see the official website. This is what our official website looks like. As you can see here, India Security Press, Nasik Road. And if you go to careers page, or you can just click on here, careers page of the India Security Press, Nasik Road. There you can find a link that is called recruitment for welfare officer, a supervisor in various disciplines, and also junior draughtman advertisement number 3 by 2020. So the published on this notification is published on 21st of November 2020, and the last day to apply for this post is 21st of December 2020. If you just click here, you will be directed to the notification which we are now seeing. At the end of the video, we will also see how to apply, what are the requisite criteria, and also which link you need to click on. Everything will be given in the description link itself. Let's quickly look into the important dates to apply. As we have already just seen, the important dates to apply is from 22nd of November to 21st of December 2020, and this is what the deadline is all about. And the tentative examination, that is written exam, will be online, will be in the month of January or February in 2021. So you have 2 months of time, which is quite enough to apply. So the vacancies are different streams. Welfare officer, there are some vacancies, and this is the pay pattern, pay scale 29,000 to 1,10,000. This is the pay scale. This is third PRC. So welfare officer, there are only one vacancy for unreserved category. For supervisor technical operations, there are some vacancies, that is 8 vacancies, and the same pay scale will be followed for different positions as well. So supervisor, there are some classifications in technical stream, that is control, technical operations, technical, and also mechanical post, and also plant maintenance. So this is security printing, and the most of the persons who have done their bachelor degree are also eligible. As you can see here, electrical and maintenance section, and also mechanical as well as given here. So technical control, we will see at the video as we follow through this video what are the required criteria and eligibility criteria for all these posts. So this is what the eligibility criteria, that is age limit. So for welfare officer 30 years, so, and for supervisor 30 years, for junior draftman that is 28 years as well. So there is also some relaxation for different categories as well. So the minimum education qualifications for the post of welfare officer, that is A2 level, is degree or diploma course certificate recognized by the Maharashtra state as per the welfare officer. So this is for the post of welfare officer, so it is only considered for Maharashtra state. So everything should be and also they should possess an adequate amount of Marathi language. This is for only the post of welfare officer, so only Maharashtra people can take advantage of this post. Now the next post, which are supervisor, that is S1 level, the requisite qualification is either first class diploma or a higher qualification, that is BTech, is eligible for this post. So for technical operation, the BTech which is in the stream of printing technology are eligible to apply for the post of a supervisor technical operations. For technical control, the first class a diploma in printing technology or higher qualification, that is bachelor degree or bachelor of engineering in the printing technology is required. For supervisor, that is technical operations in studio, the first class full-time diploma in fine arts, commercial arts, applied arts from recognized university, and also other than this, that is higher qualification in the degree of fine arts or commercial arts, applied arts, so from the recognized university, is required to apply for the post of supervisor in the stream of technical operations. So for supervisor technical operations, that is mechanical and plant maintenance, diploma is needed in mechanical engineering and also higher qualification, that is BTech. If they have only BTech, they are also eligible for this post. So for supervisor technical operations electrical, for electrical post, the eligibility criteria is either diploma or a BTech first class is required. So for different streams, they are asking either diploma in the requisite streams, and also if you don't have diploma, the higher qualification, that is Bachelor of Technology BE, from that will also be considered for different positions of supervisor, that is technical operations, either in different streams, so-called operations, technical operation electronic, technical operation electrical as well. So this is what the supervisor is concerned about, either diploma or full-time degree, that is bachelor degree, that is high degree is required. For junior draftsman, in the requisite qualification is full-time ITA certificate in mechanical along with the 1-year NSE certificate from the NCVT, and a 5-year of post qualification experience is required for this post. So those who have experience, they can apply for this post, that is draftsman. So let's see what is the examination fee for different category people. So for general, EWS and OBC, the examination fees is rupees 600. For SC/ST, the examination fee is 100. This is excluding the tax payable, that is the GST will also be considered at the payment of fees. So this is what the examination fee is all about, and the selected candidate will be placed in the probation for a period of 1 year, and they should execute a bond so that they will serve the period of 3 years if they are selected. So they need to have a bond. So the selection procedure is based on the online examination, and this is what the examination is all about. So the test consists of different sections, the name of the professional knowledge, that is in different respective streams, containing 72 questions, 72 marks, and general awareness, English, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, 12 questions each, and also 12 marks each. Total comprise of 120 questions and 120 marks. So you need to be very quick enough to attempt all these questions, because there is a time constraint for section, that is 2 hours. So prepare well, and the examination will be bilingual, either in Hindi or English, except in the, that is section English. So this is what the eligibility criteria, and also some of the important notice given in the notification is there is no negative marking in the examination, that is a online examination. So prepare well if you have any doubts regarding anything. And the most important thing is the venue of examination, so called the online examination will be held in tentatively the month of either January or February in Nasik or Mumbai or Delhi or Noida or Kolkata or Bhopal or Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai. This is what the examination centers for different states. So if you just click on here, view details, you can just go through the PDF link which will be provided in the description. You just click on here, click here to apply online. You will be directed to another page which is called apply for the post. As you can see here, this is clearly indication that this exam will be conducted by IBPS. So the prediction is that the aptitude section will be a bit bank level and a bit higher than bank level because it's a supervisor post. IBPS is conducting this exam. The technical section will be not that uh, tough. Its technical section will be either moderate, easy. This is what you need to be considered. If you just click on here, click for new registration, you will be directed to that page where you need to give on your basic details, basic info, and after that you will be getting the email and also verification code to your mobile number and registration ID. After that you need to log in and fill on upload a photo and signature and details of your requisite qualification, and there will be a preview button. Then you need to upload your certificates, requisite certificate, and then payment gateway. After that your application will be taken into consideration after you pay. So this is what the preliminary stage of registrations look like. First name, you need to confirm your first name, and the star marks are mandatory. You need to fill on these star marks. So mobile number and email ID and security code. This is how the interface looks like. So if you have any doubts regarding anything, so the eligibility criteria is bachelor degree in different streams. So please do share this video with those who are in needy. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.